Well, some antique Royal Doulton dinner plates to show you. 9.25 inch, so not extensively large dinner plates, on the smaller side for dinner plates. These are D4237 design, and now that number was reused by Doulton on later pieces and some figurines, so it does get a little confusing if you just search on the pattern reference. These were made between 1924 and 1927, and we're going to show you the transfer printed marks and also the impress marks in just a second. But I just want to draw your attention to the fact that there is very extensive glaze crazing across all the surface of these dinner plates. Having said that, the shine is there. There's very few knife marks on the surface, so this is an aging crazing that's occurred during storage on these plates. Very pretty green and blue with these yellow blocks of transfer design on the rims. Plain rims, no gilt or other issues with them. Just look at that glaze crazing though, as you can see here. Lion on the crown with the Doulton emblem in the centre. That is your pattern reference, D4237, but also on these, I don't know whether we're going to make it out on here. This one's really badly impressed mark, but that's Doultons impressed underneath, and then the date stamp, which looks like 523. So these vary between 1923 and the youngest one is 1927. They are in used vintage condition. The glaze is extensively crazed, as you can see, and cracked, but they're usable, they're clean, and if somebody's got a set that they're looking to extend, they're going to be extremely rare. That's the thing about these older designs of Doulton. They didn't make them in massive quantities. 1923 to 27. They are coming up to antique, if not antique already, the earlier pieces, and they're pretty enough. So I think at the right price, somebody's going to love these and enjoy displaying them or using them. Thanks for watching.